Skincare is a very important thing for every man who respects himself. It can improve your overall appearance and boost your confidence. In fact, healthy, clean skin always looks very rich and smooth. But many mistakenly think that proper skincare routine should be difficult and expensive. This is not true at all. In this video, I will show you how to get clear skin in 3 easy, simple steps. Without wasting any more time, let's jump into the video. And don't skip the video. So, I will give you a bonus skincare tip in the middle of the video. Welcome back to our channel, where we're all about helping you achieve your best skin. Today, we have an exciting topic that many of you have been asking for: how to get clear skin in just 3 simple steps. So, get ready to say goodbye to those pesky blemishes and hello to a radiant, clear complexion. Step 1. Cleanse and purify. The first key to clear skin is ensuring a clean canvas. Start by gently cleansing your face with a mild, pH-balanced cleanser suited for your skin type. Massage the cleanser onto damp skin, focusing on areas prone to breakouts. Be sure to use lukewarm water to rinse off the cleanser, as hot water can strip away natural oils and cold water may not effectively remove impurities. Pat your face dry with a soft towel. Step 2. Tone and balance. After cleansing, it's time to restore your skin's pH balance and prep it for the next steps. Apply a suitable toner using a cotton pad or your fingertips. Gently sweep the toner across your face and neck, focusing on oily or acne-prone areas. A toner helps to remove any residual impurities and tightens your pores, making them less susceptible to clogging. Look for toners with soothing ingredients like witch hazel or chamomile to calm any inflammation. Step 3. Moisturize and protect. Hydrating your skin is essential for achieving and maintaining a clear complexion. Choose a lightweight, non-comedogenic moisturizer suitable for your skin type. Apply a small amount of moisturizer to your face and gently massage it in using upward strokes. This will help lock in moisture and create a protective barrier against external pollutants.
Determining your face is a very important step to use right product and right skincare routine. To know your skin type, watch this video. I will give in end cards.
Bonus tip: shield your skin. To keep your skin looking its best, don't forget to apply sunscreen with a minimum SPF of 30. Sun protection is crucial for preventing sun damage, premature aging, and maintaining an even skin tone. Now you're all set. Remember, achieving clear skin is a journey, and consistency is key. Stick to this simple 3-step routine day and night, and you'll notice a visible improvement in no time. Thank you for joining us today and watching our video on how to get clear skin in just 3 simple steps. We hope you found these tips helpful and that they bring you closer to your skincare goals. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with more skincare advice. Until next time, take care and keep glowing.